Rain is a financial app that helps users manage their money through features focused on earned wage access and financial tools. By the end, you'll know what Rain does, how it works, and what to check before deciding if it is still useful in 2026. Rain is designed around helping workers access money connected to their employment. The platform focuses on giving users more flexibility with their earned income, instead of waiting only for a regular payday. The main feature people look for with Rain is earned wage access. This allows eligible workers to access a portion of money they have already earned before their scheduled paycheck arrives. This can be useful when expenses happen before payday. Instead of using a traditional loan, users can access earned wages earlier if they qualify through the service. Rain is different from a normal banking app because it is connected to employment and paycheck activity. Access usually depends on whether an employer supports the platform and whether a worker meets the requirements. The biggest question is whether Rain is still worth using in 2026. The answer depends on your financial needs and whether early access to wages provides real value for you. If you regularly have bills that arrive before payday, earned wage access may give you more flexibility. If your current budget already handles your pay schedule well, you may not need this type of service. Before using Rain, check the details of the program available through your employer. Review any fees, limits, and how accessing money early affects your future paycheck. It is also important to compare Rain with other options. Building emergency savings, adjusting payment dates, or using other financial tools may work better, depending on your situation. Rain does not increase the amount of money you earn. It changes when you can access money you have already earned. For some workers, that timing difference can make managing expenses easier. For others, regularly accessing wages early may make it harder to plan future spending. The best way to decide is to look at your own cash flow. Check whether Rain solves a short-term timing problem without creating a bigger budgeting issue. Rain can still be useful in 2026 for eligible workers who want more control over when they access earned wages. The key things to review are employer availability, costs, and whether the service fits your financial habits. Before signing up, understand the terms and compare Rain with other choices available to you. If this helped you understand whether Rain is worth considering, subscribe for more simple reviews of financial apps and money tools.